Eva and Ben are proud property owners. They've bought an apartment. They paid over 300,000 euros for 4 rooms and a garden. Flats in Cologne are expensive and hard to find.
There were hardly any 4-room apartments available, and the ones that were even more expensive or were completely run down. This was the first one we saw where I thought, okay, that's exactly what we want.
And they think it's a good investment.
I think if we sell the flat next year, we'll make a profit.
2,700 euros per square meter. In Cologne, that's a bargain. Demand for apartments is rising, and there's now a lot of building going on in the city, including at the luxury end of the market. These flats are being built by Corpus Sirio, a property developer owned by 2 of Germany's largest savings banks. Their real estate agents have already started selling the apartments.
This will be the promenade when it's finished.
It's all meant to be done by next autumn.
What we're building here is a block with an underground car park, 36 apartments and 4 townhouses. So that's 40 residential units and 68 parking spaces underground.
How much of it has been sold?
About 50%.
The estate agents are doing well in the financial crisis.
Lots of people have no alternative ways to invest their money. With the stock market as volatile as it is, people are looking for safe havens, and that's what property is.
This is what the townhouses are meant to look like. They're not cheap, 4,000 to 6,000 euros per square meter. That's about 500 euros per square foot. Concrete gold for investors who don't trust the stock markets. But the estate agents say most buyers don't need a mortgage. Lots of people are investing their savings.
People are investing a lot of capital. Part of the reason is the financial situation we're all familiar with. The crisis, the euro bailout. It's a way of keeping your money safe. That's certainly a factor behind a lot of purchases.
It's not just locals buying here. It's investors from all over the world who are pushing the prices sky high. Good locations in major German cities are supposed to offer a safe haven from the turbulent financial markets.
There are sovereign wealth funds from Singapore and all over. They're keen to buy German property too. We're talking about investors who have huge amounts to invest. We're talking about 100, 200, 300 million euros. Or look at the Sony Center in Berlin, over 500 million.
Business at Corpus Sirio Real Estate is booming. Their investment division alone sells about 400 million euros worth of property a year. The financial crisis is helping, so long as it doesn't get any worse. The Gossos are using an inheritance to fund their new apartment. They need to do something with the cash, and the stock market was not an option.
Investing in the stock market is risky one way or the other. At the moment, markets are too volatile. I think it's better to use the money for this.
They've put everything they own into the apartment. And they hope that in a few weeks they'll be able to move in.